Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, mic check. Oh yeah. We going money green. We going money green today, baby. Hold up. Oh yeah, we going money green today, baby. Let's get it. Oh yeah. We in the building. Let's go. Shout out to the family. Oh, mine in the building. You already know. We know where you going, baby. Let me know where you from. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh yeah, Puerto Rico is in the building. Oh, let's get it. We here, baby. You want to see something, family? AMC. Let's see. We've been holding over 40. We love it. We at 43 right now, family. Let's go. Shout out to the whole family. Shout out to Rhode Island. Shout out to Texas. Shout out to the Discord fam. You already know what time it is. You know what's really pushing? Look at this. Prague. Ticker symbol PROG. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. I'm telling you. What do I mean by let's get it? I mean let's go. Maryland is in the building. Louisiana, Chicago, Dallas. We here, baby. Washington, D.C. in the building. The Bahamas is in here, baby. Let's talk about it. Kansas, Alabama. We in the building, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. I want to give a shout out to my guy. Just said check out ticker symbol WAAT. Good looking out. I'll cue it up for you, family. Much love for that. We'll come back to it. I ain't gonna forget about you, big dog. Now, family, look at this. AMC is waking up. Particularly Discord fam. I know you gotta be up on your call option on this one. Let's get it. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, you know what? We might even have to wait. We still up. We might even have to wait to see it change. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, we already got a Don DeMarco. Hold up. I appreciate you for the love, family. Keeping the lights on. Appreciate you for the love. Now, let's see. Jose Moon said this. Good morning, brother. He said it's Jose Moon, subscriber of yours. Patreon, let's get it, baby. Discord fam in the building. Shout out to the... Hey. He said, all I asked of you to please read. Urgent message I sent you there. So, family, I'm not sure. Send it again. If you sent it on Patreon, I'll get it. Send it there. Let's get it. Appreciate you, family. So, please smash the like button. Let's go. Shout out to Winston. Good morning, family. Maryland is in the building. We got Charleston, South Carolina in the building. We love it. Egypt. Shout out to Egypt. Somebody said Prague going to $5 today. Just know, family, with everyone seeing what's going on with Prague, the FOMO buyers, you could imagine, they got their eyes all over this one. Let's go. All right, now let's see what's up. So far, let's take a look at the SPY. SPY is trying to get, and family, you know that dip that we had for about a month or 2 months? We're almost completely over it. Take a look at this. The SPY, which tracks basically the top 500 or the top 50 companies. The Fortune 500 companies. It got to an all-time high of 454. Family, we are literally a few dollars away from all-time high levels on the SPY. Again, all of that dipping that it's been doing for a long time. And this is why I tell you, never bet too long against the SPY. Never. Shout out to you for the love, family. He said, morning, family. Detroit in the building, baby. Good looking out. Keeping the lights on, baby. Now, check this out. Even if you would have bought a call option, September 1st, September 3rd, right? All-time highs. Let's say you bought a call, and you would have just held on. You'd have been getting eaten up by Theta, right? Eaten up. Absolutely eaten up. But notice this. You would have been very close to back there if you would have just gave it some time. Always give it some time if you feel like you want to go way out of the money. So, Tesla $900 calls, family. Eating, baby. Eating. Shout out to the Discord fam. We getting paid, baby. Paid. Them Tesla $900 calls. Come on now. Look at this. Tesla is $876 now, family. Eating. For those of you that may not have seen what I'm talking about here, yesterday we jumped in this call. Hold up, you know I got the receipts. Yesterday we jumped in this call. No, not that. That's BNGO. That's something else. Oh, speaking of that, that's for the options class. I just put up quiz 2, by the way. So yeah, that's this. We jumped in this yesterday, and this is it. up 60% when this thing was, when Tesla was what? Like 73, like 873, and now it's 876, family. So come on now. Shout out to the Discord fam. A quick 800 plus. And if you still in the play, family, you got even more than that. You getting even more than that. Let's go. You even more up than 69%, family. Maybe even that. Who knows? Shout out to Elon. Shout out to everybody who caught that joke. But let's keep it going. All right. Shout out to my guy, Jose. And let's see. Oh, quick side note. If you didn't know this, you know how the Tesla, just so you get what I'm saying, you know how Tesla has the Model the Model 3, right? It has the Model, let me just show you. Model 3, right? Tesla has the Model 3. Tesla has the Model S. Tesla has the Model Y. Tesla has the Model X. But guess what? They couldn't get the Model E. They couldn't get the Model E because Ford, I think it was Ford, they own the patent on the Model E. Right? So they had to make it a 3. Not 3A. Model 3. What's the joke? This is it. Good old Elon Musk. Good old Elon Musk. Sexy. This is what he's calling his cars. But you may have caught that. You may have not. But all right. Shout out to my guy, Joe Miami. Appreciate you, family. Much love. You getting it done? Yo, let's get it. Let's get it. Wallace, hit me up on Patreon. Write to me. Joe said this. He said, let's go. He said, big day today, Miami in the house. Let's get it. AMC making bank. Prague making bank. Oh, yeah, let's go. Let's go. He said, can you give an update on Ortex for Prague? It says, last time I checked, it was about 63%. 60%. He said, Kenan for president. Hey, shout out to my guy, Charles Payne, too. My guy, Jay. Good morning, family. Good morning. Let's go. Queen City, Charlotte in the building. South Dakota in the building, too. Let's get it. All right, now, let's check these out. Let's see what's going on in the market. Family, yo. Tesla is pumping. Just know the earnings is coming up. I want to say tomorrow. Yo, Eric B, yo, y'all really showing love today. Don DeMarco again. He says sick. Filthy profits yesterday, bud. I appreciate you. Look, family, got you. I got you, baby. I got you. Just know. Let's go. I love it. Check out BITO. Is it out yet? It's not released just yet. We'll be up on it. But family, do you see Tesla is trying to pump still? Coinbase is pumping. COIN. Coinbase is pumping. Jeez. Yo, family, look. I put the Discord link in the top of the chat. I'm telling you this. Get in the Discord with us. Man. Now, let me tell you that right now. Right now. All right, let me check my guy out again real quick. He said, "Oh, I just read the rest of your message, Jay." He said my pops got rushed to the hospital, and it's not looking good. As everyone, please say a prayer. Family, we got you on our thoughts. Just know I always say this, man. Some of the worst things happen to the best people, and I'm sorry to hear that, big dog. I'm really sorry to hear that. Just know. Shout out to my guy who just sent this. The snapper, I can't really pronounce that, family. You said this, and I appreciate you for the love. He said, I love it when wife wakes up. Time for Kenan. That's crazy. That's crazy. He said, can you please make a vid on how to register your AMC shares? So there may be something up there. Hit the Discord for me. So you said, yeah. Yo, man, the family is showing mad love. Yo, shout out to the family, man. Hold up. Where we at? Shout out to the family, man. That's love. Shout out to the family. CJ, we got your back, big dog. We got your back. I'm telling you that right now. Man. Hate to hear it. Let's see. Facebook, family. I've been telling the family about this one. Facebook is pumping. Pumping. PROG. If you get into a prog call, I want you to understand this. High risk, high reward. High risk, high reward. We got 4 minutes or so. But look, Jay, I hope you on right now so you can see all of the love, how the family got your back. Got your back. I'm telling you this. Much love. Much love. AMC, pumping. Alibaba, believe it or not, is pumping. Let's see. Coinbase, though. Family, jeez. Coinbase. It gapped up from 293 to 305. My guy Eric B, shout out to you for the love. He said, sick, filthy profits yesterday again. Appreciate you. I got you, family. Just know. Again, everybody, jump up in on that Discord. Jump up in on that Discord. So when we making money, you making money. Instead of you just watching us make money together. Corey, good looking out, big dog. So Kenan, get this man a show on the mainstream. Come on now. I ain't going if I can't bring the family with me. All right, now let's look. Family, my goodness. Tesla is absolutely pumping. Absolutely pumping. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Discord fam, we here. Just know, family, eating. Feels good to be back in the family. Let's go. Let's go. It's love over here. You finally got the notification. I believe it. I want you to keep your eye on Prague right now. Prague is one thing I want you to keep your eye on right now. Facebook is different from the other plays. A lot of them are like momentum plays. Facebook is actually a fundamental play. Like the company is a straight up beast banger. Where's Nancy Pelosi at this morning? Right. Somebody said take a look at ChargePoint.
It don't move.
ChargePoint is over 20. Over 20. Oh yeah, my guy said take a look at this one. So yeah, this one. WATT. Let's take a look at the news. What happened with them? Why are they pumping like this? So, unlimited distance, over-the-air, wireless charging. Huh. Let's see that. Let me see if I click this. Will it open up right here? Nope, it doesn't. Granted, FCC approval for unlimited. Okay. So they got some FCC approval for revolutionary technology. 2.0 charging technology. So yeah, apparently, family, this company, what they're working on right now, and they got approval to give it a shot, is just wireless charging over the air. All right, shout out to them. Shout out to them for that. If they can really do that, that would be great. That'd be crazy. That would be crazy. Let's look that up. So yeah, go take the options too quiz for put options, by the way, in the Discord. If you don't know how to do options, we got call options class out, put options classes out, and the quiz is out for that now. The review of the put option quiz will be coming out soon. Let's check out, hold up. Over the air wireless charging. What? That's pretty crazy. Like if they really knock this out. Hold up. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, that would be crazy, family. If you had like a charger like this, like wireless, and it's just charging your phone, I'm imagining that it would be significantly slow, but it would still be dope to have. All right, let's get back to some of these because the market is open, baby. Let's get it. So Prague pumping. Look at that. Prague is absolutely pumping. Tesla coming down. But family, why do these things come down? Why do they come down? So they could pick us up. Just know, we was eating yesterday off of a Tesla call. And now, look at the RSI. Look at the RSI. Way oversold. Way oversold. Everybody, hit the Discord link. Join the Discord. So when we running plays and we getting paid, you could be getting paid with us. No guarantees. There's no guarantees on the stock market. I'll never lie to you. But we'll show you all of the plays that we're doing. And if you so choose, you can jump in. And if we getting paid, you can get paid. All right. So now, let's see. We got a Lucid call yesterday. I'm up on that. We got the Apple call from yesterday. We up on that. The Disney call, I'm down 3% on that, but that's a long-term call. The Nio call, I'm up and you up $500 on that. Yo, Discord fam, let's get paid. Yo, I'm telling you this right now. Family, another $500. Another $500. Somebody just told me they don't got money for the Discord. I want to tell you, it's $5. The Discord will pay for itself, in my honest opinion. It'll pay for itself, in my honest opinion. If you agree with me, Discord fam, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Let them know. I think the Discord will pay for itself. If you got in this call with me and you pay $5, guess what? You up. You up a lot. And the Discord paid for itself. And this is just one. What do we do over there? If we get in and it's not going our way, we get out of the play. So then we can put money in better plays. And then make a lot. That's what I'm talking about. And then make a whole lot. Because let me tell you something right here. Look, you see me, and you're going to see this time and time again. You're going to see this time and time again from me, right? Did I X out of that? I did. So, oh, look, now it's up 29%. You're going to see this time 30%. Yo, Nio's pumping. This is going to 600. This play is going to 600. And you know what's funny? We just been sitting in this one. And family, I'm looking to get in on the Tesla call. I'm going to keep it real because it's coming down, but it had to cool off from being overbought. Look at this same play. If you made enough, get out. You just paid for what? More than hold up, watch this. What is 567 divided by 5? Hold up, let's ask Siri. You know we got zero. What is 567 divided by 5?
The answer is 113.4.
113 months of Discord on this one option. But again, because I know we in the business of making money. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to give you something that's not gonna make you some money. I'm trying to get you something that is gonna help you to grow and learn so you can make your own money. That's what it's really all about. And oh yeah, let's make a point. I'm in the mood right now to make a point. So let's check that out. Let's check out this, like I showed you. Because I tell you, don't just get into an option for the sole fact that you want to get into options. You want to get into a good deal. You heard me say that 100 times. You want to get into a good deal. What do I mean by that? I mean this. Hold up. I mean this. Just on let me make sure you can see these. Tesla $900 call. Right? And I'm looking to get into another one. Just know. Don't let me forget that when I'm done talking about this. But look, what do I mean by that? We just made $800, $860 on a Tesla call. We just made $612 on a Nio call. We've been sitting in that call for a little bit, right? Right now, at this very moment, because people always say, yo, Kenan, why? What's going on? Why do you be jumping out of these calls? Why would you jump out of a call? Why would you this? Why would you that? Right? Hold up. This one is one that I'm in an Apple call. I'm about to show you $300 up. And I'm not just showing you these to say, oh, wow, look, I always get it right. I'm showing you these and I'm going to make a greater point. $300 up on that. This one is up 5%. It was just up more. So that means Apple is tanking or coming down a little bit, right? Maybe it's cooling off or whatever is going on with that. What I want you to understand is this. We got another one. We just jumped in yesterday. That's up $44. Still got a whole lot of time on it. Now I'm just going to show you these and I'm going to make the greater point. And then we're going to look for another call or another play. You don't want to be in a million. So we're in these right now. We're in a lucid call. Let me show you that too. We got to keep it real all of the time. We're in a lucid call. And this one is down. You know we're going to keep it real all of the time, whether it look good on us or not. That's why people trust me, because I'm always going to keep it real with you. So now look at this. In the lucid call for January 2023, we're down 1%. We were just up like 3% on it, right? So we're down on this one, $27. We're up on this one, $310. We're up on this one, $44. We're up on this one, $612. We're up on this one, $680. Now, how do I end up with a lot of winners and then I'm in some that are losing but have a lot of time? How do I do that? Because I'm willing to get out of the losers. I told you this yesterday, and people who just find me, they don't understand that. Because they say, oh man, you're going to let this one go? They're like thumbs down and all this stuff. And I'll say, look, if it's not going my way, I get out of the play immediately. So like, let's say that we got this lucid call for $30 and we had a week. And then I'm like, okay, I'm down $27. I'm out. And then they're like, oh, Kenan, it's just down 27. Why would you get out? Blah, 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 blah. Right? If I had a week left, I say, look, I cut the losers out. I'm not about to ride the wave down. And then I hold on to the winners. I cut the losers and I hold the winners. It's as simple as that. But me, I cut 100 losers in a row and then hold on to a winner. I lost $2. I lost $1. I lost $3. I lost this many dollars. But then, boom, you get into a winner. That's what it's about. You got to cut. This is when you investing in the options. It's not like the stocks. You got to be willing to cut out of the losers and hold on to the winners. It's as simple as that. And this is what I try to show the family, right? Trudy, that's right. Get in, get up, and get out. That's what I'm talking about. So if you want to get into the Discord and learn how to rock how we rock and we let go of the losers and we hold on to the winners, then you know what time it is, baby. You already know. Now let's keep it going. Tesla right now is showing some weakness. We could, in theory, jump into a call right now, but we're going to chill for a second. But you could jump into a call if you believe it's going to go back up. Remember, though, earnings is like tomorrow. So this is going to be the catalyst that could tank it or send it to 900. So just understand that. Now, AMC, the beast, the big dog. Let's go. $44 so far. Coinbase coming down a little bit. Why do these stocks drop? So you can pick them up. You already know. Now, Prague is pumping back up. Just know this. So now I'm looking to see. Let's see what the options are like for this one. So if you play in Prague, I want you to understand, not financial advice. Just understand though, crazy high risk, crazy high reward, right? Crazy high risk, crazy high reward. So now let's see. Tesla, it still looks like it's coming down. A bit. Eventually, I imagine it'll turn around, but it's still coming down a bit. Let me check the SPY before we go back to Prague. Family, the SPY, let's go. It's fighting to get over to this 450. It's fighting it. It's fighting it. I believe it can do it. I believe it can do it and hit a new all-time high soon. I believe it. I believe it. But again, it might find resistance right here. You just joined. Let's get it, baby. If you join in the Discord and you having trouble getting in, just know I got you. I got you. You can get yourself in, but it's going to take a little bit of patience. Oh, hit that like button. Good looking out. Good looking out. Discord family growing like wildfire, baby. Again, we never going to lie. We're going to keep it all the way real all of the time. So, okay, let's check this out. Let's go and let's see. Tesla, see if it's time. To be honest with you, family, I tell you time and time again, ChargePoint
it don't move.
Is a beast. Is a straight up beast banger, right? Straight up banger. However, understand that it's just taking a lot of time. It's taking a lot of time. Oh, BITO is live. Let's see. Family, it is live. This is the Bitcoin ETF. No options yet, I don't think. Nope, not yet. But it's live. It's live. Hold up, family. Let's go to Prague. Remember, understand me. Understand me. High risk, high reward. If you play this one, don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. But understand. Hey, you in it to win it. And it's simple as that. Discord family in the building. So let's see. Where is the link? It's in the top of the chat. The Discord link is in the top of the chat if you're trying to join. Understand us, though. We a family down there. And I tell you, it worked just like this. We win, but you got to be willing to cut out of a loser. If you get into a loser, because I'm telling you this, I've seen a lot of people, and this is no disrespect to anybody in particular. I've seen a lot of people, they teach options or they tell you about options or whatever like that, and then they show you. Let's make something up. Let's make something up right now. And let's change the mood. Let's change the mood. Blood red, baby. Let's change the mood. Imagine this. They say, yo, we're going to get into an option, right? I'm going to release you my list over the weekend, right? We're going to get into, and this is just hypothetically, right? Hold up. Here we go. This Kenan Grace Radio. Oh no, we're gonna leave it off. We're gonna leave the light on so you can see the blood red in the back. This Kenan Grace Radio, baby. We're gonna get into and this is hypothetical. We're gonna get into a BITO call on the weekend. This thing gonna go to 80, right? Get into a call. We're gonna get into a SPY call. SPY is going to 600. We get into a ChargePoint call. ChargePoint is going to 900. We get into a Prague call. Prague is going to 100, right? We get into a Tesla call. Tesla is going to 2 million, right? And then what'll happen is on Wednesday, the SPY, boom, the SPY is up. Everything else lost. You never hear about it again. But the SPY, our SPY call, look, oh, we all the way up on the SPY call. You know what happens with me though? I watch the market with you live. I'm not going to tell you about no call on Saturday. I'm not going to tell you about no call on Sunday because I can't see it moving. I don't know what's going on with it, right? I don't know how the market is treating it. So then I come on here live. I look at it with you. I let you see what I see. I talk you through it. And then I say, okay, we getting in, for example, the BITL call, the SPY call, the ChargePoint call, the Prague call. I see it's not going my way. I'm out of the play. And I tell you, you know what? I'm jumping out of this one. And then people will say, oh, Kenan, why would you jump out of this one? Right? It'd be something like this. Why would you jump? It'd be going down like this. Why you jumping out of this one? And I'd be like, look, I don't believe in it anymore. I'm getting out of this one. And then people, here come the down votes. They don't like when you keep it too real. So then they down vote and they do all of this. But guess what? I ain't in it for the likes. I'm in it for the love that I got for you. That's what I'm in it for. So understand me on that. And understand that I'm getting out of all of these plays if they ain't going my way. I told you that. If it ain't going my way, I'm out of the play. Simple as that. And then I'm going to keep it real with you. And then we end up with a few bangers. Banger. Why? Because we hold on to the winners, make money on them. And then the losers, we're going to keep it real. And we're going to say, look, I lost. And you come into it and you have a plan before you get in. I always tell the family, proper preparation prevents poor performance. You have a plan before you get in. Let's say you got into a SPY Watch this. The SPY, you don't know what it's doing right now. It just did a little gap up, a little gap back down. You have no idea what the gap is going to do. It's sitting at a resistance line. It's sitting at a resistance line. There's a strong one of 550, right? So long story short, you have no idea what it's going to do. Is it going to get rejected there, or is it going to break and go past it? So then guess what? If you got into, you could throw a dart at a board, and then say, if it hits this color, I'm getting a call. If it hits that color, I'm getting a put. You might as well throw a dart at the board at this point, sitting at this resistance line. But guess what? If you have a plan of exit, you're not mismanaging your option. So then you could win. You have a 50-50 shot. However, you won't go to zero because you'll tell yourself this. And let's make it up. We throw a dart at the board. Boom. It hits the red. It don't hit the center, but it hits somewhere in the red. And we say, okay, red means we buying a put. So then we buy a put. Hypothetically, we're not buying a put, but we buy a put. And then you know what? This thing goes green, and we're losing money. But we told ourselves in the beginning, if we lose $20 on this, we out, right? So then now what you did was you just managed your risk. You totally picked the wrong one, but you managed your risk so much that you be all right. And I want you to always understand that. Always understand that you can make it happen for yourself if you have a plan up front. Especially if you have a plan of when it's not going your way. When it's not going your way. When you get in and then you get into a put and then this thing is going green. And then you say, man, I'm down 10%. What do I do? I'm down 40%. What do I do? I'm down 80%. What do I do? What do you mean? What do you do? You need a plan before these things happen. Before they happen. But let's keep it going and let's check out Nio, ticker symbol NIO, because I'm hearing the beast, the big dog, the banger. I'm hearing people is believing again. They believing again in Nio. That's crazy. Where we at? Nio, where we at? I'm hearing they believing again. Yo, Nio is making believers. Nio is making believers. Nio, hold up. Nio is making believers. Nio is making believers, baby. Here we go. Hey, family, our Apple call from yesterday. Running. This one got overshadowed by the Tesla call, but it's running too. Hold up, and let's see. And again, if you join in the Discord, I need you to understand. If you're gonna, you know how they say, when in Rome, you gotta do like the Romans. If you playing with us, you gotta understand that you gotta be willing to say, all right, I'm getting in the winners. And if you get in a loser and it's not going your way and the time is running, you gotta be able to cut out of a loser. Just understand that. Right? Nio's making believers. Just know it. Just know it. Yo, family, listen. And this is the power of investing. You just seen me show you a $500 up on a Nio call that we just been sitting in for a little bit. You just seen me make $200 while talking about something else, right? You just seen me make $200, almost $3. Oh, my bad, $780 on a Nio call. That's not expiring until March. I could get out of this right now. If you made enough, family, I always tell you, if you made enough, you could get out of it right now. We got until March, but you could get out of it now if you so choose. Now, I want to also explain this. Things in this world, they don't make sense until they make sense. What do I mean by that? I ain't trying to be cryptic. I want you to understand. They won't make sense until they make sense. Now, when you say, all right, I'm going to get a $50 Nio call. For those of you who don't understand, Nio does not have to even hit $50 for us to make money. I could sell this contract right now and make $782 literally right now and sell a contract at this very moment, right? I don't have to wait until March. I can sell it right now. I want you to go to the Discord and take the options class if you don't understand what I'm talking about, but understand. So my guy said this. He said, teach me the calls, puts, gains, bro. I'm a Discord member. So, Kenny, go to Discord option class, not dips, Discord options class. Take class 1, quiz 1, review 1. I got it all in a perfect sequence for the family, baby. And I just put out quiz 2 for options class 2. Just know that. But now let's see what we got. And my guy said this, Jeff, in the Discord, we just picked up a lucid call. We might double down on it. LCID. We might just double down on it. Let me go down here. I want to, but I don't. It's not down enough for me to want to double down on it. I'm literally down I'm down $7. I want this thing to come down further if I double down on it. Your SQQQ puts are printing. That means the SPY calls are printing. Or you would think. Said, teacher, I got you. You say you love the options course? Discord fam, I'm telling you this. I got your back. I got your back like you wouldn't believe. And I didn't charge you no extra. I didn't charge you no extra to do it. Nothing. I'm thinking that, one day, once it's all said and done, and I hang my oven mitts up, I might put the options class behind some sort of a pay to use this kind of wall. But while I'm still active and I'm in the game, listen, if you in the Discord, I'm not charging you no extra to be in class. Nothing. You Discord fam, you got it. Now let's see. Let's check out the SPY. No. Prague. But once I hang the oven mitts up, just know I might just take all of the options courses and all of the quizzes and everything like that and say, look, if y'all want to get into this options class, then boom, I'm sitting on a beach somewhere. You already know what time it is. Here we go. Boom. You could buy the options class. But while I'm active, Discord fam, you got it. So Kenan, in the Discord, can you study options anytime or last date? Oh no, you can do it. I got it all in the sequence. Let me see. I want to show you how it looks. I might not be able to. Let me just explain this. All right, I'm going to try to bring this over. I got a whole bunch of tabs. But I'm trying to bring this over for everybody to see. Let me control plus. I don't think this is making it any better. No, it's not. All right, take a look. So options class 1. There's part 1, buy and call options. Roller coaster when the ride goes up. You see what I'm saying? And then quiz, you take the quiz. You take the course, is this first video. You take the quiz, is this second link. And then I got, just to make sure that the information is solidified. You say Discord helped you make 2K in September. Let's go, baby. We love it. And then just so you got it solidified, I do a quiz 1 review. So then you can understand what happened in the quiz, right? And the quiz gives you immediate feedback. So then you know, okay, I taught you. And because sometimes when people are teaching you stuff, they just talking. But you never really get to see if you understand what you learned, right? So then I decided to put a quiz in it. So now if I'm doing this live and you start seeing people adding quizzes to their options courses, I'm not even gonna hate. I'm gonna just take it as an honor. But it is what it is. Now, the quiz, take the quiz, and then just so you understand, review the quiz. And then boom. What's next? Lesson 2. So we had call options. Now we got lesson 2, which is put options when the stock goes down. So now you know how to make money when the stock goes up and you understand what's going on. And now you make money when the stock is coming down. Now I want you to take quiz 2 after you took course 2. So take course number 2 and then take quiz number 2, which I just put out yesterday at 11:18. Take that, right? And just know what's coming next in the sequence for lesson 2. Lesson 2 is going to be, so put options, quiz, and then the review. Right? So the review will be coming out next, and then we'll do class 3. So we still in the beginning of the course, family. If you didn't get up in on it yet, we still in the beginning of the course. So you didn't miss out much yet. And even if you did, you could just go back and look. I got it all in a perfect sequence for you to see. I got your back. Understand me on that. I want you to learn, and I'm taking my time with you because I feel like you deserve it. I know you do. And I want to also mention on this. Let's check this out. Let's let Tesla chill. Out for a little bit. It's showing some weakness. My guy said he got 20/20. Let's go. 20 out of 20. Your Discord does not work. Send me a message on Patreon. I'll try to help you out. Yep, BITO is live. Now, many people are asking me if I'm getting in on this. I'm going to just keep it real. No, I'm not. I'm not interested in this. I'm interested in how everybody else is interested in this. I'm interested in the volume, like 7 million already. Family, this thing been out for not even 30 minutes, and it's 7 million in volume. However, just know you might be able to buy this or want to buy this. I'm much more rather buy straight up Bitcoin, right, than an ETF that's following the futures. But it is what it is. It is what it is. And I'm not saying don't buy it. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I'm just telling you, so I can keep it real, that I didn't get it yet. And I may change my mind. You got to be able to be dynamic and say, okay, this is totally worth it. But at this point, I'm not so interested. But I am interested in watching it, and I am interested in talking about it. Yep, that's right. Figuratively speaking, baby, 2030 vision. 2030 vision. Now, here we go. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. You said I made you $100. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Now, let's see. Let's see what's going on. And again, like I said, I didn't want to double down on Lucid yet. I want them to come down more, way more, so then I could double down. I'm telling you, hey, people telling me 18 out of 20. If you didn't get 100, make sure you go over the review and then you see which ones you got wrong. He said, yo, I got 2020 and just got my second winner option posted on Discord. Let's go. Let's go, Jeff. All right, here we go. ChargePoint.
It don't move.
We still sitting at the $20 mark. Coinbase, it came down. It came down. But again, why do these things come down? So you could buy it. We know what time it is. We know what time it is. Maybe you don't want to buy it yet, but you want to let it cool off. Now, Watt pushing, baby, pushing. Does Watt have options? Watt does have options. But again, notice during the time that you could do this, it basically it didn't move. It didn't move. So like it moved in the pre-market. So if you picked up the stock yesterday somehow, right? Great. However, if you wanted to get into an option on this, you'd be stuck in it, just chilling right now. My guy Ralph, appreciate you, big dog, always. My guy Ralph, always showing love. That's the big dog, the beast. He said, appreciate you, big dog, giving you these roses. Y'all always giving me the roses. Family, I'm trying to give them back. I'm trying to give them back. Just feel me on it. I'm trying to give them back. Like, and I told y'all this before. Like, you see me on, like, Fox News and stuff like that. The only reason that they let me, shout out to Danbury, Connecticut. Shout out to Oklahoma. The only reason they let me on Fox News, the only reason they'll let me and like all of these other things is because they want you to hear it. And they know that I have your ear. So whenever you support any kind of creator or anybody like that, and they're not treating you like you're the most valuable, come on now. People getting bigger than themselves. Never let that happen. The only reason that any of us have anything or any importance in this world is to other people like Fox News or these businesses or these sponsors is because it's literally because you are holding us up. Understand that. When I decided to leave my 9-to-5, I took the leap of faith, and guess what? I fell right into the arms of the family, and I feel more safe than I ever felt. Simple as that. So somebody said puts on the spy. So Kenan, you're the man. I finally figured out options. Thanks. Let's go. Let's go. Shout out to my guy Randy. Shout out to my guy Randy. Shout out to my guy John. Appreciate you. AMC to the moon. Listen, listen. Charles Payne said it the best. He said it the best. They want you to think that AMC is a loser, right? They want you to think AMC is a loser. But it's up over 1,000%. It's up over 1,000% on the year. Let's go back. Earlier this year, family. So notice, we had $44. If you look for the whole last year, this time last year, let's call it October of last year. Let's look. Where we at? Let's go out to the week chart. Every single one of these candles is representative of a week. October 20th of last year, this thing was $4. $4. Come on now. Said pride coming back to pick me up. You know what? Even when I hear y'all say this, I love it. I love it because I want to say this. Back in this is before I was going live. Back in like February or whatever of this year, Like early this year when the market was crashing. Like a lot of people got their stimulus checks and they jumped into the market. Like early February, March, April, the market was coming down, right? Coming down. And everybody was panicking. Oh my God, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? And now I'm starting to hear things that I say. Like, man, you know, when I could be a sheep, I'm going to decide to be a shark. When I see a price I like, I strike. Like I'm starting to see y'all have these same things. You got to be prepared, not surprised, right? I'm starting to see y'all say that. And then I just see my guy. He said, you know what? He said, Prague is coming back to pick me up. So Prague must be coming down. And guess what? He ain't crying about it. He's saying, oh, it's just coming back to pick me up. Dang, right? So that's what I'm talking about. You got to see this and you got to believe this stuff when you're in the market. You say, look, this is a part of the game. If it's coming down, it's coming to pick me up. My stop wasn't up here. It's coming to pick me up down here. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Best in the credit. Shout out to you, family. Good looking out for the love. Good looking out for the loves of Kenan. I've learned a lot from you and getting better at trading because of you. Let's go. That's what it's all about, baby. Teaching the family how to fish. Teaching the family how to fish. That's what it is. Yep, my guy T-Bone. Never forget. Never, ever forget. Shout out to T-Bone. Don DeMarco, baby. Offense and defense. Offense and defense. Don't just let people teach you, okay, buy. At a certain point, you got to say, how am I going to protect some of this money that I have? How am I going to protect it? That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Now, again, let's go back. Because like I said, Charles Payne, let's not get too sidetracked. He said that they want you to think that AMC is a loser. When you check out AMC this time last year, right, in about October, $3, $4, what is it? Today is the 19th. The closest I can get to that is the 23rd. $4. Fam, this thing is up 1,000%. It's up 1,000%. Oh, but it was 72. So you telling me it was up 2,000%? Like, what are you talking about? How is this a loser, right? How is this a loser? Even if you got in with us, and we literally got in at first, I want to say this thing took off like May, like 15th or 20th or something like that. Listen, I seen AMC for a long time. I bought AMC when it was like $7 or even $5. That was the first time I bought it. But I wasn't an 8 back then. I was still a bull. I was still a bull on the bull market. And I was like, okay, I see some money to make here, right? And then I sold it. I sold my AMC. I probably had 2 shares for $5 and $7. I wasn't an 8 back then. And then I'm doing my research on AMC. It's May. It's May now, 2021. And then all of a sudden, the hair started growing out the back of my neck, right? I started feeling, my muscles started getting bigger. I was like, oh, I became an ape all of a sudden. And then, boom. Thanos snapped this thing right to 72. And I had got in at 12. And I had a call option too. Then I had a call option for 45. And it was 12. This thing ran up like $10,000, family, up. But then it came to 72. There was a lot of people who became apes with me that day when it was 12, right? We lost a lot of people on the way. When it came down from 72, and came all the way back down to 30, we lost a lot of people. The zombie apes who are coming back, they coming back, right? They coming back because they see it going up again. But we lost a lot of people. We thought they was apes. But it turned out they was this. What is it called? It's it turns out it looked like they was apes. But they might have just been a dude. They might have just been a dude in a costume. It looked like they was apes, but they might have just been some dude in a costume. We wasn't sure. But now that it's coming back up to the 40s, it looked like we going to the 50s. It's looking like we going to the 60s. They can see it and they believe again and they reach out of their grave and they the zombie apes. That's right. The battle of 3110. We lost so many good souls that day. Come on now. That's right. Somebody say you didn't lose me. We the true apes. That's right. Back when I seen AMC at 7 and I seen it at 5. Come on now. I wasn't I wasn't an ape then. But then I learned how to be an ape. I'm telling you this. Come on now. We lost a lot of apes, but we here and we back. We back, baby. We back. Now let's see. AMC cooling off a little bit. Let's get into our charts. Also, in the Discord options class, the next thing I'm gonna do for options class 3. So the next thing I'm gonna tell you the sequence. The next thing I'm gonna do is the review for the put options. We're gonna do the review for the put options quiz. Take the put options quiz before we get to that. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Right? So you funny? Let's get it. So I'm gonna let that one sit for a little bit, let it breathe, and then we're gonna do the review. And then we're gonna do the Greeks. We're gonna learn the Greeks. I need you to really understand the Greeks. And then we're gonna do some chart work. Cause you know how when you watch me on live and I'm showing you the channels and I'm showing you like how I would look at it and what do I see, right? I'm like, okay, this is the channel, our downtrending channel. And then I'm showing you like my entries and exit points, right? Like stuff like that. Come on. So how do I feel about Disney? Banger. If you're talking about the stock, absolute banger. Absolute banger. So now let's see. Take a look at this. Right here, our descending line of resistance and our ascending line or our descending line of support. So we'll get to that too. I'm thinking about adding some chart work into so you can learn how to enter into certain options as well. So now let's see. Somebody just said Apple is running. We love it. We love it. Yo, Discord fam, if only we was in some type of an Apple call option, right? That would be crazy. That would be crazy. If we got into an Apple call just yesterday. And again, family, listen, I tell you every time, this ain't Pokemon. You ain't gonna catch them all. But guess what? When you playing with a system and you're not playing in your emotions, you're gonna win. When you have a system and you're not playing your emotions. So we've been sitting in this Apple call, just made $100 on it. To be honest, I almost forgot about it. But since somebody said it in the comments, oh, well, that's great. That's great. You would love to understand the charts. Marie or Mary, no disrespect. I haven't heard you say your name, so I'm saying it just reading it. I want to say Marie. Just know, let's get it. All of these things are coming. Microsoft hit 309. Let's go. I'm bugging. I looked up 309. My brain is like, 309. MSFT. 308. Let's see what the all-time high was on Microsoft. We there? Oh, let's go. Oh, no. Am I wrong? No, it was today. 309. Let's go. You think Apple will break all-time highs this year? I think the all-time high had to be what? It had to be what? Like 154, 160? Let's double check. 154, I want to say. Apple all-time highs. Let's zoom out. 157. I do think so. Apple is a beast, monster, and let's go. Coinbase 307. Prague, like my guy said, he said, look, it's coming to pick him up. And it seems like it did. Oh, it's still on a downtrend. Let's be clear. Remember, we talked about this. Retracement, right? We talked about retracement. Understand that. This looks like a retracement. It hasn't fully turned around yet. Yo, look at this. CEI. Pumped. Okay, let's see. SPY is really trying to test that 490. I'm sorry, what am I talking about? Yeah, 450. 450. I had to double look. I had to check again. It's really trying to test it. Tesla is falling down. People are looking like they're selling the news on what happened. So there's going to be a lot of fear in Tesla. Notice, we could now that we ran up on the call yesterday, we could now jump into a put. Now that people are going to see all of this, they're like, oh man, we was wrong about Tesla. Tesla is a scam, blah, 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 right? It's a scam, blah, blah, blah. Just know this. You can make money on the way up. You can make money on the way down, baby. So now let's see. CEI still pumping. Understand though, family. Look at this. You can't really see this. No, can you? Do you see this blue number over here? 92. The RSI is at a 92. This is about to turn around hard, but then it could continue up, but it's going to turn around first. It can't It can't maintain this momentum. So it's going to turn around and then it could continue up. But understand, you see this red candle? This is just the RSI cooling off. This is just the RSI cooling off. It has to happen. It has to happen. RSI, anything over, so it got to 92. It got to 92. Up here, anything over 70 is overbought. So it had to cool off. It had to. This doesn't mean that it's done. This does not mean that it's done. This just means that it couldn't maintain this momentum. 92 is unsustainable momentum. It's like when you do a sprint and you run in a 100-meter dash, you couldn't run that same speed a mile, running a whole mile, right? You couldn't do it. And this is like a 100-meter dash. You can't do it. Not for that long. All right, yeah. So I wanna just mention something real quick. So I see somebody said, you gotta understand correlation versus causation. Causation means this happened because of that. Like if I smacked you in your face hurt because I smacked you in your face. That's a cause. That's causation, right? Correlation is something like this. Do you know that it's an absolute fact that every time ice cream sales go up, shark attacks go up? Every single time. Every single time. Ice cream sales, if their ice cream sales are through the roof, shark attacks are going to be through the roof. Why? Is one related to the other? Not really. It's because it's summer. It's like that. So that's correlation, not causation. So when you see somebody say this, and they're like, oh man, look, go buy XYZ. That don't mean that they made it run up. What really going to tell you is this. Look at the volume. Look at the volume on the play. 64 million trades of this have happened just today so far. Nobody but like somebody like Elon Musk has pulled like that. All right, yeah. Palantir put, you can see. Any swings today? Let's take a look. Any swings today? To be honest with you, family, I really could see the SPY. The SPY is really trying to break this resistance. It's trying. It's really trying. You say you be questioning why Kenan be smacking you in the face? I want to smack you with my hand. You know what I'm smacking you with. Bop, bop, bop. Get my notepad. Bop, bop, bop. You know I got you with that. He said, here you go. You don't see the class? Ask somebody in the Discord. Ask somebody in the Discord. They'll lead you there. You have 20 calls on CEI. Let's check them again. And again, why is it coming down? Why is it coming down? So you could buy it. Understand me on that. Understand me on that. So, tell me how to pronounce your name, because you always be hitting us with the bangers. I want to say it's Iana. This is how I say. I never heard you say it, so no disrespect. I'm trying to say it as I see it written. And you just said thoughts on CrowdStrike calls. Let me tell you something. If there was ever a person who has been saying, yo, I want to get a call on this, and then I look, and then I'm like, yo, if you want to get in, you know what I'm saying? Get some skin in the game. And then we look back, and this thing is up 10 million%. And I'm like, yo, this person, it's Nancy Pelosi right here, right? She got a time machine. She can tell her future. And then I want to say, Iana, you don't got the time machine, so you're not Nancy Pelosi. But if it looked like anybody had a time machine, it's you. It's you. I love to see it. Don DeMarco, yo. Here we go. But let's go back. And again, you wanted something. This is a banger. Just give yourself enough time. CrowdStrike is a banger. When you see all of these fake Kenan Graces in the comments, right? You see all of these fake Kenan Graces in the comments. You see all of these fake Uncle Larrys, everybody like that in the comments. Treys, Matt Kohrs, all of these. This is people getting scammed out of thousands and thousands of dollars. CrowdStrike is fighting scammers. Big time scammers. They're going to be in business forever. They're going to be in business forever. Let's go. So let's see what we got. Again, some people got killed. I told you, didn't I tell you? With Prague, I said, this looks like it's turning around, but it's still in a downtrend. This is called retracement. Retracement means it's still in the same trend. However, it just has to pop up because it can't, the same way that things can't maintain the same upwards momentum, they can't same. You said my full name is Kenan. All right, I got you. Let's go. But the same way they can't maintain this full like upward momentum, it can't maintain this crazy strong downward momentum either. This is why people look at the RSI, right? So retracement means this. Retracement means it's staying in the same, and understand me on this so you can understand what you're looking at when you see a chart. So you know, oh, did this thing retrace or did it reverse, right? What you want for Prague is you want it to reverse. Reverse means it was in a downtrend. Nope, no longer a downtrend. Boom, we going to the moon, right? It reversed. It got out of the downtrend. But if it retraced means it's still in the downtrend. It's just popping a little bit. So look at this. It's in a downtrend, in a downtrend, in a downtrend. And then it popped a little bit. Oh, is it reversing? Like about to take us to the moon? No. It retraced. It retraced. And now we want it to reverse, but right now we're just purely using our chart work. Purely using our chart work and noticing that we're still in the downtrend. We have not reversed. Our first indicator of a reverse would be, oh, it broke our descending line of resistance. Our descending line of resistance. Boom. All right, now let's keep it going. Let's see. So Apple still pumping. Apple's going to find a lot of resistance up here. CEI, like I told you, it had to cool off. This big red candle didn't mean it was done. It just meant it had to cool off, right? So then now it can continue its push. However, it's still overbought a little bit, but there's a lot of buying pressure. There's a lot of FOMO buyers over here. By the way, let's see. CEI does have options. In short term, October 22nd, they got a $2 in puts, calls. Look for calls. Wow, the $2 call is crazy cheap. Crazy cheap. Again, high risk, high reward. Let's back out and let's see. Because I wouldn't be surprised to see this actually work. But let's back out and look. It pumped up. The next real resistance is about $2 flat. You could argue that it's 280 or 180, but it's 2 hours flat. Just about. DocuSign, Crystal. DocuSign is a beast, a big dog, a banger. DocuSign is a beast in terms of a long-term hold. In my personal opinion, banger, banger, absolute banger. Yo, family, do me a favor. Show your boy some love. I'm trying to get unshadow banned. Hit the like button for me. Let's bring this video to 1,500 likes, baby. Bring this video to 1,500 likes. Let's get it to half and 50% of the likes. And while you're doing that, let's take some time to get some free money, baby. To get some free money. So hit that like button for your boy. And what I want you to do is get up to $70 free in free stocks from our sponsor, baby. Because I told you, this is not financial advice, but this is a sponsored video. Get up to $70 free in free stocks from Kenan. Go to the public investing app. And I gotta, oh my God, family, I seen something hilarious on Public the other day. I hope that it's still up. It might not be up. Let me check, because you know I be having the screenshots. Oh, it's not there anymore. Yo, family, there was, so Public, right? It got like a feed. When you on the Public app, it has a feed of like social media or whatever. So some people, they show the trades that they're doing over there. And then they, if you ever show the trades you're doing, if you sell out of a trade, it'll like, you can make it so they can tell everybody what you're doing. Like literally they can follow you. So then, and you don't have to, but you can. And somebody, one of the creators on there, I'm not going to say who, I'm not going to be trying to blast nobody, but one of the creators on there, they started selling AMC. And then AMC was down. And it said that they was down in their position because they sold it. I want to say they sold it at like 38. They bought it at like 40, sold it at like 38, and now AMC is 43. So then everybody in the comments, it was just a straight up roast fest, family. You ever seen, and listen, I know I'm getting demonetized for this. You ever seen the roast? It was like a roast of Flavor Flav. Right? It was like a roast. This is like way back in the day. I'm old, just know. It was like a roast of Flavor Flav, right? And it was like all of these comedians. It was Snoop Dogg there. Right? It was so many. It was Cat Williams there. They was cooking this dude, cooking him. And then they had a roast of Justin Bieber. Same thing. They had a roast of Justin Bieber. Now I'm telling you, Kevin Hart was there. They was flaming this dude, flaming him. And then just on the public app, when this dude sold out AMC, and then it told everybody that he was down on the play, and then it ran up, I'm telling you, they was cooking. They was cooking. And I was just sitting there, and I'm telling you, I was just crying. I was straight up crying watching that. I was straight up crying watching that, crying, laughing. That had me, yo. But yeah, that's it. But let's see what's going on. Prague. Let's see if Prague has reversed or just retraced. So right now, this could be retracement. Like I was telling you, remember, retracement means it's going up and then it's going to continue the downtrend. However, it could, and you see how it's kind of breaking down right here? It has the chance, because 3 flat is a strong support. It has the chance to reverse. But the channel, the technicals will tell you, is it reversal or is it retracement? It'll give you the indicators. Somebody say, yo, look up the big dog, the beast, the banger, BBIG. Remember, swing trades, baby. Swing trades. Oh, she coming down. She coming down. She's coming down. Somebody said, check out Disney. Understand that Disney, the content king, the beast, the big dog. So Disney is 170. So I got into a Disney call recently, and I might be down. Yeah, I'm way up on this Apple call. Way up from yesterday. Let me highlight the Discord fam real quick. You already know what time it is. Always got to show the Discord fam some love. Yesterday's. Here we go. Here we go. Apple call printing. Now, look, family, I'm looking to double down on the Disney call, Discord fam. The Apple call is printing. The Tesla call, made huge money on that. Apple call. No, the Disney call, I'm only down 6%. 6%. I might not. I could. 70 is a really strong support. Let's look back. We could hit 69.80. That's another support. However, understand, family, Disney is a fundamental play. So I'm gonna. Big boy, you all right? That's Brownie. Big boy. That's his nickname. Yeah. So fam, I'm about to double down on the Disney call. I'm doubling down on the Disney call. Discord fam, I'm about to send it to you. Check stocks of the week. And I'll tell you why in a second. Here we go. So I doubled down on the Disney call. I usually don't double down that early in the game. But understand this. Understand this, family. Let's go take a look and let's make it make some sense. Because it might come down a little bit more. I usually don't double down that quick. But it's all good. It's Disney. So watch this. The Eternals. Tickets. The Eternals tickets, right? One thing Disney knows how to do is make content that people want to see. Whether it's old content like The Lion King, whether it's new content like The Eternals. You never even heard of The Eternals, family. And their tickets are breaking records. Hold up. Take a look at this. Eternals first day advance tickets beating Shang-Chi and Black Widow. And AMC sees its biggest day one pre-sales of the year because of the Eternals. Now look, you heard of Thanos, you heard of Iron Man, you heard of all of these other people. Most of us here, family, let's keep it real. You said Brownie was agreeing with you. Shout out to Brownie. Most of us here, let's keep it real. The Eternals is rather unfamiliar to us. And people want to go. And basically, you say, I actually got to give props to the Discord fam. I have discussions with them too for inspiration. That's what I'm talking about, fam. That's what the Discord is really all about. So you can have like-minded people and understand what other people are thinking, and we could just make stuff make sense or say, no, look, that's not a good idea. Just somebody to keep you in check. Now let's keep it going and to support you. But the Eternals, Disney know how to make movies that people are gonna go and see. And this is the Eternals. And this is coming out, I wanna say in November, right? This is just the Eternals. It says opening on November 5th. Family, imagine, and nobody can tell the future, right? Except Nancy Pelosi. Imagine when Spider-Man comes out. Imagine when Spider-Man comes out. That's the Eternals. Spider-Man might very well be among the biggest movies of the year. What is this one called? Spider-Man Home something. Far From Home? I want to say it's Far From Home. When is this coming out? I want to say it's coming out in December. Is it Far From Home? No. What is that new Spider-Man movie called? No Way Home? No Way Home. Okay, 2021. No Way Home. This is coming out on December 17th. You might not be able to see it too well, but it's coming out on December 17th. King Magnetic, shout out to you for the love, family. Let's go. But again, imagine this. I wouldn't be surprised if this was the biggest movie to come out this year. Maybe it will be, maybe it won't be. But come on. It looked like they're mixing up all of the old Spider-Man movies from way back. It looked like they're mixing them up. They got Doc Ock in there. Look. Come on now. We love it. We love to see it. They got the old J. Jonah Jameson in there. If you've seen the old Spider-Man movies, you probably pumped to see this new one. And then after that, what they got? They got the Doctor Strange movie coming out. Doctor Strange 2 is looking like. Multiverse of Madness. This is coming out in May of 2022. Family, I'm telling you, they got the rollout of all of the movies. Disney is a beast. Disney is a straight up beast. So if you get into this call that we just got into today, understand this, the Disney call, maybe it's going to be down for a little bit, right? You don't always get in at first and then they be runners. Like, for example, this Nio one that we up 41% on, that's $782. Family, Discord fam, you know in particular, we've been sitting in this one. Like, for example, some of them pop right away. Tesla, we got it to yesterday. This one popped right away. Right? Pop right away. Apple, we've been sitting in this one. The 120. This one, we've been sitting in this one. Finally, we up. Right? This $50 Nio call, we've been sitting in this for a while. We've been sitting in this one for a while, and now it's way up. So some things don't make sense until they make sense. So it just takes time. That's the difference. He said, my G, look at Watt. I looked at Watt, and I didn't see, I don't see anything that I want to do with it. I might be willing to get a put on it, but that's really it. Because look at this. It's up a lot, but now it's coming down. It might still go back up. But what I want you to think about and what I want you to understand is, and let me comment on something Patrick said. He said, I've been down in Nio calls forever, it seems like. So you should be up today. You should be up today. And one thing I want to just make sure you understand too is how to average down on a call. When your call option that you had a lot of time on and you still believe in it, you get a chance to make more money because you get to bring your average down. And I always tell you about that. Look, I'm doubling down, I'm tripling down, I'm whatever down. I tell you this all the time on the Discord. So now let's go back to what was that? So let's get out of this. We talked about Doctor Strange, Eternals, Public. We talked about the fake apes, but I ain't here to say who a real ape and who's not. AMC, the ProShares ETF that's out now. NFTs coming to Coinbase. We talked about that. SPY on TradingView. Don't need it. Yeah, leave this page. Don't need that. All right. So we go. CEI, baby. Let's go. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, if you're not in the options yet, hit the Discord. You can come and learn. Take your time. It's important to learn. It's important to learn. Just so you could have the information. You see what I'm saying? You want to have the information, even if... So, Apple, retracement. Apple doing some retracement. 16 CEI calls they're printing. CEI, is it still pumping? Let's go. Let's go. Now, Prague has since cooled off and it's finding support at the 3.1. It's finding some support there. Family, I'm telling you, SPY just showed a double top. Double top usually is an indicator of it dropping down. But understand that this is the SPY. It is what it is. Spotify is running. That's good because I picked up some Spotify like over here. I want to say I bought the stock. I bought some Spotify. I want to say like right here. And then this thing just did a rocket down, but it was a stock buy. Stock buys are different from options. When you buy a stock and you believe in a company, you just wait or average down. So it's good to see it back up. Let's go. BBIG. Coming down, showing some weakness. It looked like it's trying to gap fill to high sixes. All right. So, yeah, Nio, let's check them out. Are they still pumping or are they cooling? Okay, had to cool off. Oh, yeah, that's what I wanted to say, too. So, hold up. Let me check. Do we got 50% of the likes, family? I want to see. Because y'all been helping me to get unshadow banned. We this close. We was looking for 1,500. 1,500. We this close, family. I appreciate y'all. Don DeMarco. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Shout out to the family. And shout out to the 3 new members, too. Appreciate y'all for the love. Let's go. Discord family, we growing like wildfire. I know the family trying to get up in on there. Now, okay, let's see. Microsoft pumping. AMC is turning red on a day. Let's see. Whoa, AMC broke our downtrend. Jumped out and jumped into a new downtrend. Okay, now let's see. The market overall is cooling off a little bit. Notice this BITO, it came out hot, cooled off. Let's check out. We can't forget the beast, the big dog, the little dog. Shiba Inu. You gotta love that it's showing so much support up in these levels. So somebody asked me too, yo, Kenan, you been talking about Shiba Inu. What's going on with Doge? I'm holding my Doge, baby. I'm holding Doge. I'm in it. Doge, the big dog, the beast. I'm telling you, every time I see this thing come down to like the teens, that's when I'm willing to buy it. For now, I'm just holding on. One thing I want you to understand too with me, generally, I'm not trading crypto. I got burned a long time ago trading crypto. I told you the story. I had 0.6 of a Bitcoin and it was $3,000. It went up $1,000. Boom, I cashed out. I was like, hey, come on now, family. That same 0.3 of a Bitcoin What would that would have been now? Like $20,000? Come on now. I don't trade crypto no more. I buy crypto and I hold it. I buy it and I hold it. Particularly, I'm loading up on BLockFi and I'm holding on. Earning interest on it and I'm holding on for dear life. You is not going to catch me selling my crypto that I'm buying in this decade. Yo, shout out to my guy Cordell. Keeping the lights on, family. Keeping the lights on. Turning us money green again. Shout out to my guy Cordell. Let me show you some love, big dog. Keeping us money green again. We in the building. Let's go. Cordell Reynolds, big dog, the beast. He said 200K Doge. Listen, I'm holding strong, baby. I'm holding strong. Let me look at my BLockFi account right now and see what's up. What's going on with Bitcoin today? No, that's Coinbase. Let's go to BLockFi. Yep. So let's look. BTC. Yo, every time I look at BTC, I look at it's the stock. I'm not looking for that. Blue Sky Digital. No. BTC. I bet you Blue Sky Digital has made so much money with that ticker symbol by accident from people investing into it by accident. Notice that it's at 61. Bitcoin is at 61. But understand the high is 64.9. 64.9. We this close to getting a breakout above all-time highs. So now my BLockFi account, I'll show you. I send this to the computer. Where I'm at right now. Hold up, let me back out a little bit. Just so you can see the whole breakdown. There we go. And this is an interest account. So I'm earning interest on this. I want to get more Ethereum. I got Ethereum on Webull, but I need Ethereum on BLockFi. Why do I need Ethereum on BLockFi? Because it's earning interest. So right now, I got $69,296.63 on BLockFi in my interest account. I got 90% of my account is Bitcoin, and the other about 10% or so is Ethereum. I got one Bitcoin worth about 62,000. I got a little more than one because they're giving me interest and they're paying in Bitcoin. Every month, they give me a little more Bitcoin. So you see how my Bitcoin under here is worth 62,000? It's because they keep dropping me more, right? So whatever it's doing, if it's falling or if it's going up or down, they just keep dropping more Bitcoin in there. So then I got more than it looks than I bought. So then look at this. Ethereum, I got 1.7 here, worth 6.5 thousand. However, understand, I got more Ethereum on Webull. I got I want to say 20,000 in Ethereum on Webull. But I need that on BLockFi. But with Webull, I would have to sell it on Webull and get cash. And then that's taxable. That's a taxable event. So I don't want to do that. And then I would have to send it over to BLockFi and then buy it again. So I'm waiting for Webull, like Robinhood is trying to do, to open up some crypto wallets so I can get this out of here and move it over here. And just straight up move it over here. And then just keep earning interest on it. But again, I paid about, for the Bitcoin, that's worth 62,000 now. I paid about, I want to say 38,000 for this. But understand, when I bought this the first time, family, and I'm losing my voice, must have been talking for a while. When I bought this for the first time, I was buying 5,000. Like I told the family, if you've been in the Discord since like May or like April or whatever, I was putting 5,000 on it using strike days. Like I always tell you, the BLockFi link should be in the description of some of my videos. So now take a look at this. Like go check yesterday's video or the other video before that. So then, yeah, understand this. So I bought it, 5,000, just kept buying it. Eventually I paid about 37 and 30, between 35 and 38. I'm not exactly sure because I was dollar cost averaging in, right? And then this thing dropped from about, I want to say 38 all the way down to like 34. And everybody was like, oh, Kenan, oh, it dropped. How do you feel? I feel good because I'm holding this until 2030 at minimum. You might catch me with this and Kenan still got a Bitcoin and it's 2060. You can be like, yo, you still got that Bitcoin? I'm be like, yeah. And it's worth 18 million. Like, you see what I'm saying? Who knows? I'm using hyperbole here, but I want you to understand that that's how it's rocking. That's how we going down. And again, I'm holding on. I want more, but I would prefer if this BTIO crashes it so then I could buy it even more. So let's see. Somebody said check out Cardano. Remember, Cardano is a beast, a banger. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. I was telling everybody when it was running up like this, we got the chance of running a 5 or whatever and this and that. But understand the support lines. Understand that you might be able to pick this up at 2. And look, it's very close to 2. Still a banger. Still a banger. You're going to look back at this one day and wish you picked up more. Not financial advice. KG, is Microsoft bad right now, in your opinion? So this is what I want you to do, Jim. If you want to pick up Microsoft and you got, let's call it $3,000 you want to put in Microsoft. There's many ways to go about this, right? Microsoft, MSFT. You got $3,000, you could probably pick up 10, let's call it, right? Let's say you could pick up 10. Instead of buying them all today, buy 3 today, buy 3 tomorrow, buy 3 the next day, or buy 3 today, wait a week, buy 3 more. Or you could go all in today and then just hold it for a long time. If there was ever a guarantee on the stock market, and there's none, understand that there's none. It's that if you hold one of these big dogs, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, the FANG stocks, Netflix, if you hold them long enough, they're going to go up. No guarantees, but it is what it is. He said use your BLockFi link and it's not working out. What does that mean, family? What does that mean? You're not giving me, is the link not working? Oh yeah, also, I want you to hit this link right here. Like I was saying, to get some free crypto and some free stocks or whatever like that. Hit the Discord link. I'm about to change the link. Discord link will get you on the Discord. This link right here will get you in the public. Go get up to $73 in free stocks. Like I was telling you before, you might as well not leave money on the table. And they're not using payment for order flow. So you got to respect that. But again, I love y'all. I see you in the next one. Let's get this money. Discord family, I see you over there. But if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. Family, we got over 50% likes. Let's get a Don DeMarco in the building, baby. Hold up. Where we at? Here we go. Don. Hey. Let's go. I love y'all. Hit that like button on the way out. Take care.